Are oats gluten-free? Why are some oats not gluten-free? Can oats be taken on a gluten-free diet? Well, research reveals that oats may or may not be gluten-free. If they are processed in the same facility as whole wheat, then they are contaminated. The manufacturers clearly mention this on the labels whether the packet you're buying has gluten or is gluten free. On a side note, oats on their own are gluten free, though they may contain a protein known as avenin in trace amounts that behaves just like gluten protein and might cause intolerance for those with sensitivity to gluten. So you should first check the labels when you buy oats. Secondly, if you're gluten intolerant, take a taste test with a small amount of oats to see if avenin causes any reactions. It is believed that most celiac disease patients can easily tolerate oats, which makes them popular in a gluten free diet. But every human body is different and might react differently to certain compounds. Celiac patients in remission may start consuming oats cautiously to see if it has any adverse effects on their body. Certain varieties of oats may cause immunogenicity or toxicity for celiac patients. So it is always better to consult with your doctor to see if celiacs can eat oats. Whole oat groats are just like grains which have endosperm, germ, and bran intact with only the hull removed. They are packed with fiber. Steel cut oats are obtained by chopping whole oat groats coarsely. They need to be soaked for better absorption or cooked for longer. They are highest in fiber and lowest in GI of all types of oats. Rolled oats are a little easier to absorb and have a little less fiber. They are made by steaming oat groats, which are then rolled flat. They are also known as old fashioned oats. Quick oats are the easiest for your body to digest because they are produced by steaming oat groats and cut rolled oats into coarser particles. You will get maximum fiber from steel cut and rolled oats.